Let's have a real talk, just you and me. I want to help you build an unbreakable mind, but it starts with something you might not want to hear. Let's face the uncomfortable truth. You might be your own worst enemy. You complain, you procrastinate, you blame your boss, your family, the weather, the economy. Everyone and everything except the one person who can actually change things. You. You're sabotaging yourself. Here's the key. Without brutal honesty, there is no mental strengthening. You can't fix a problem you refuse to see. So look in the mirror today and ask, where am I getting in my own way? The first step to becoming strong is admitting where you've been weak. It's time to stop acting like a victim. The weak mind loves to hide. It hides behind excuses. It hides behind victimhood. And it loves to compare itself to others, always finding a reason why someone else has it easier. But a strong mind doesn't play that game. A strong mind looks at the chaos and asks one simple question. What is under my control right now? You need to ditch the question, why is this happening to me? It's a dead-end street that only leads to self-pity. Replace it with a question that gives you power. What am I going to do with this? This shift, this simple change in your internal dialogue, is the foundation of mental strength. It is the moment you stop being a passenger in your own life and decide to grab the steering wheel. This leads directly to the next non-negotiable step. Assume total responsibility. No more I didn't have time. No more I wasn't in the right mindset. We all know those are just convenient lies we tell ourselves. You don't control everything that happens to you. That's true. You don't control the traffic. You don't control what other people say or do. But you 100% control your response. You control your daily choices. I want you to internalize this. Everything that is a recurring pattern in your life is, in some way, your responsibility. If you're always broke, if you're always in toxic relationships, if you're always overlooked for promotions, you have to look at the common denominator. It's not about blame. It's about empowerment. When you take responsibility, you take back the power to change it. So how do you actually change? You build discipline and you create a strong environment. A strong mind is forged by keeping the promises you make to yourself, especially when you don't feel like it. Motivation is a fickle friend. It comes and goes. Discipline is what shows up every single day. Think about it. If you made a promise to your best friend, you'd move heaven and earth to keep it. Why are the promises you make to yourself any less important? They're not. They're the most important promises of all. And while you're building that inner discipline, you need to shield your outer environment. This means less mindless scrolling, fewer distractions, and less time with people who drain your energy and pull you down. Your environment is either lifting you up or holding you back. Curate it ruthlessly. Surround yourself with habits, content, and people that make you better. Remember this, each daily action trains your mind to be either stronger or weaker. There is no neutral. Now, let's talk about pain. You need to accept the pain of growth and take action. Growing hurts. Waking up an hour earlier when your bed is warm and comfortable. That hurts. Saying no to things that waste your time. That can be uncomfortable. Pushing through a workout when every muscle is screaming. That definitely hurts. But you know what hurts more. Reaching the future, 5 or 10 years from now, and realizing that nothing has changed. That you're in the same place, with the same problems, filled with regret for the chances you didn't take. That is a pain 1,000 times worse than any temporary discomfort. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret lasts a lifetime. You have to choose your pain. So, In your next decision, you have a choice to make. You can choose the easy path, the path of avoidance, or you can choose to act like the protagonist of your own story. Let's break this down into a practical plan. Stop living as a victim who complains and procrastinates. Start living as a hero who takes charge. The first step is to shift your perspective. The next time something goes wrong, catch yourself before you ask, "Why me?" and forcefully pivot to, "What now?" This single change will revolutionize your life. Second, own your patterns. Everything that keeps repeating in your life is a signal. It's calling for your attention, for your responsibility. Even if the initial mistake wasn't yours, your recurring reaction to it is. Take ownership. Third, prioritize discipline over motivation. Fulfill the promises you made to yourself with the same commitment you'd give to someone you respect. Your self-respect is on the line. Fourth, shield your environment. This is your fortress of solitude. Reduce the noise and follow accounts that make you feel weak or envious. Mute the group chats that are all about complaining. Actively seek out books, podcasts, and people that inspire and challenge you. Your mind is a garden. Stop letting others plant weeds in it. Fifth, learn to tolerate discomfort. See it not as something to be avoided, but as a sign that you are growing. Effort, struggle, and even a little bit of pain are the prerequisites for progress. Avoiding them only guarantees a life of mediocrity. Don't let the fear of temporary discomfort lock you into a life of permanent stagnation. And finally, the most crucial part, take immediate action. Don't wait for the perfect Monday that never comes. Don't wait until you feel ready. You'll never feel ready. Set one real, tangible goal right now. Break it down into the smallest possible daily actions. What is one tiny thing you can do today, right after watching this video, to move toward that goal? Do that. Action is what builds a strong identity. Every time you follow through, you're sending a message to your own brain. My actions match my ambitions. I am the kind of person who does what they say they will do. This creates internal coherence. You start to believe in yourself because you have evidence. So, from now on, in every decision you face, big or small, I want you to ask yourself a powerful question. You have a choice. Am I going to act like the person who runs away from every challenge, who hides behind excuses? Or am I going to act like the person who decided to build an unbreakable mind? The choice is yours in every single moment. Choose wisely. Choose strength. Choose to be the hero of your story. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you build your strongest self. See you in the next one.